today I've come up with another video which is on introduction to FBA Wholesale and why do we choose wholesale as our safest business model. So without wasting any time, let's jump on the web. Introduction to FBA Wholesale. First, let's clear the three businesses: private label, wholesale, and dropshipping. Private label is about finding a product on Amazon that has high sales but low number of reviews and then label it as if it is yours. While as dropshipping is when a seller takes in orders on behalf of a manufacturer or a supplier, and as a customer buys the product, the seller uses their supplier to fulfill those sales. Now let's talk about wholesale. Wholesale is selling someone's brand. That means that you don't have to put in much effort into product research and product branding. You can just sell products by an established brand. That means आप उस brand के अंदर और उसकी listing के अंदर sell करते हैं in a specific price. आप stock लेते हैं and then उसका profit margin calculate करके उस specific brand के अंदर आप उसकी product को sell करते हैं. FBA Wholesale is a great and a safest module of Amazon and has more advantages and fewer risks because no business assures you success. Now let's talk about why wholesale is the safest business model. Wholesale is the safest business model because low investment is required. Like for private label, if we have an investment of $15,000 to $20,000, then we can own our business. But in wholesale, we can start our business in $3,000 to $4,000 too. Then low risk is involved. Then number 3, you are going to meet to the ranked listings. Number 4, you can build long-term relationships with the brand. Number 5, Amazon Prime eligibility. That means Prime is a service of Amazon that provides its customers their deliveries within 1 day. So sellers doing FBA have the eligibility of Amazon Prime. Then the last one is high potential. That means आपके पास बहुत सारे established brands होंगे जिस पे आप जितनी investment करें आपको उस पे return आना है. That means we have high potential. Then the things that we need when we are doing wholesale. Address. Address is the most important thing. Now, यहाँ पे address में भी we have two types. Number 1 is the physical address and number 2 is the virtual address. Physical address is that address if any of your relative is living either in USA or UK, तो आप उनका address लेके अपनी company register करवा सकते हैं. अब आपके पास अगर physical address की opportunity नहीं है, then you have to go for the virtual address. Virtual address is that address that you have to purchase to register your specific company. Then to register your specific company either in USA or UK. USA में अगर आपको अपनी कंपनी रजिस्टर करवानी है then you have to use the limited liability company that is LLC और UK के अंदर LTD use होता है that is limited company. Then for USA a seller permit is required and for UK a VAT certificate is required. Then employer identification number. It is also required on a company's behalf. Like हमारे पाकिस्तान में NIC number होता है same as USA में employer identification number होता है. Then we also need a bank account too because पाकिस्तान में जो banks है उनसे हम Amazon को link नहीं कर सकते. Then we need a phone number of that specific country. फिर we also need a website so that हम other brands से link भी कर सकें. Then in USA, a time period of about 40 to 50 days occurs in this specific process, whereas in UK, in 2 to 3 weeks में हमारी company register हो जाती है. So that's all about today's video. I hope that you guys will like it and will appreciate it as well.